He's now telling you that trying to, he don't normally come out fully. Whenever such a thing is happening, you see him dodging. Just watch and see. You know this time now he will now go underground. You will not hear him again. So he is the architect of all these things that is happening. We are waiting for them. Why would they use Satan to destroy him, and now they don't want to use that same Satan to destroy him? Kai, look at what is happening now. All of them now are running to hold any position. I don't know if you're following.
Yeah.
Why don't they appoint that person? When there is something these guys know we don't know. That aside, you can see the Eggman. Eggman now, they gave him Minister of Info. He's running out of it. He's running.
Wait, so he don't want to take the Minister of Information in that group, in that new group.
I am telling you, he said nobody should address him as a Minister of Information, that he's still the Deputy Minister.
Okay, I know what they're talking about. Now I know where you're coming
Nobody
from.
know what to see. They know that court might be involved or whatever. So they don't want anybody to be the arrowhead. Everybody's running. They don't want my fellow Biafrans that wants to go and donate money. One day, if you give these people your money, even I want chance. Nobody to hold for your
God.
money. You can't give account of nobody can give you account of your money. One day, he will be there. Oh, Bajaja Kebala. He will guy. He will guy. Ego Gada. Hey, Ego Gada.
The only difference between them and Ogenkere is that once when you donate money to Ogenkere will be the one to enjoy the money. But if you put it in the other group account, few people will enjoy the money.
Now, the game now is too obvious. No, everybody now, okay, when I look at Iwugongoro, is it where your sister is it
Why, Anaja?
no. Is it Georgia? Is it California? Is it California or what? Or where?
Ebe ọ nọ ka ị na-ego?
Iwugongoro now, the woman that called Okengbere, Abudi Bagogwe Wibi.
I don't cook now.
So that woman now. Look at if you reason very well, I don't know people, when you reason very well, you say you want a freedom. You and I know that we all want freedom. Then when we listen to these people, they will keep telling you money, and your money will be saved. Your money will be accounted for. My brother, my sister, they are only telling you money. What are they doing for the freedom to come? Nothing. Telling you money, your money will be accounted. One day, or one source they go carry by the I hear people are still following them. I still stand. I can see many people. I still stand on the word of our PM. I say, you see, even those useless politicians in Biafra land are still standing under the zoo. That we will use marine road. Only free Biafra. That is all that. Thank you very much, my dear brother. I am still here.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow is our question and answer. Our people are coming on air by 3 p.m. Biafran time.
Thank you.
Biafrans, we want to hear.
Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much.
Thank you, Triple M. God bless you. Let's hear from Madam Origin.
Hello, Mr. Kai.
Good day to you, ma.
God bless you. God bless you.
You say, and you too.
God bless you. God bless you.
Nke a ọnụ gị tata akwa ịtụkwara mmanụ well.
God bless all our media people. Oh, God bless you. I want to turn it to a song.
Okay.
It's not for una, eh? Hey, it's in these people for do Omo Biafra, eh?
30.
Try.
30.
Omo Biafra, greet everybody. Oh. As you don't hear, they watch, they listen. And my heart goes out to all the gullibles. Not only gullibles, like people, you know, it is one thing that people, it's just like a woman that is under abusive husband, right? And the husband, they beat this woman black and blue. They deal with the woman. And then someone comes and say, I want to help you. And the person now scam her to where to dizziness and do worse. That is what these people are doing. They're so wicked and evil.
I'm telling you.
So wicked and evil. Ha! Oh God. You see, as I sit and listening to all these brouhaha and all these lies, from one level of lie to the next level and to the next level.
It is true. It is true, honestly. Anyway.
And these people know they are lying. They know that there is no iota of truth in their mouth.
At all. At all.
Now they have a third group. Maybe I was telling you people that their general name they have is, you know, if you have one pot, inside that one pot the full name is Scammers Unite.
Hey.
All the scammers, God separated them and put them inside that Scammers Unite. They now have different names. You can call them Briggy 1, Briggy 2, Autopilot. You can call a Fallback Republic. Now they have a new name. You will soon be hearing Save Our People Group.
It's not funny, honestly, but what can we do?
Not funny at all. Not funny at all.
That's not funny.
These people are evil. What is your favorite Biafran do that you're evil? Everybody is trying to run out. You did everything in your power to scuttle the redeclaration. And you are bold to tell us that there was a plan A, plan B, plan C, and everything is to disrupt and to make sure Biafra doesn't come. Because you like scamming the people. There is nothing else. And I look at it, I don't know if I should begin to, like there is a religion. They have purgatory, they have penance, they have stages. I don't even know where to,
Put them.
These people are evil.
They are.
These people are evil.
They are, truly. They are.
But with all this, I see all everything. Okay, how you say you are Biafrans, you say you mean well, and everybody what kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the dungeon and kept him suffering today is because he wanted to redeclare Biafra, because he wants the people to be free. Mazi Simon Ekpa continued pushing, working night and day. From China, he went to our beautiful constitution, to everything set up. You people, Froland to know that it will not happen. And that is all they are doing. Now that God did them, ambush them. And this woman, like I told you, when I went to this, I just want to see her, make sure this woman, God, I don't know where she got the strength and the boldness. Because it is not only physical, there was a spiritual battle, there was every hell let loose to stop this redeclaration of Biafra. And she stood, and I believe, if only you can see in the spirit the amount of war angels that protected her, and she did all of that. And you think that God is going to watch you? Watch these riffraffs and miscreants come and scuttle it for you. That's why I tell them, see, you see, sleep, I have postponed sleep. All of them, as they have decided that the children of God, they are going to join the Almajiri snake takia with jihadist agenda to destroy God's people. Me, even if I don't look, they have not seen anything. These evil people have not seen anything. How can you just why are you this evil? Why are these people this evil? What everything they are doing? Everything they are doing is to make this thing look like a child's play. Who is playing with you? Who is playing with you? People are spending their money, their time. Some people do 3 jobs just to make sure they send money to people at home to survive. And you are here scamming them. Why are you laughed before? I'm not laughing. I just let me not start screaming. Mazikai, you see what is going on? These people, they can't. I see that they are worse than. You remember that now. Yeah, let me digress a little bit, but it is part of the talk. You see that they have retired the figure Buhari. No, na retirement too. Because the figure called Buhari is alive and well. Is a system.
Yeah.
Is the one that employed these people. And as foolish as they are, they don't know they are employed. Some of them don't even know who employed them. But once you are greedy, you can be bought.
Honestly.
And it does not matter. They are used to buy themselves, destroy themselves, destroy their land. And you will soon see. You see, now that they are talking, you see the celebration, the ceremony they are doing, it is that's a covering. When that they thought Buhari will emerge, you because the Buhari that died and the Buhari that represented the other Buhari, they want to retire that one. I don't know if that Buhari will agree to be retired. So the system to which and their agenda is still on. So let nobody be deceived. And these criminals that they are using to destroy Biafran agenda, they will not succeed. Because this is God's agenda.
True.
Madam Origin. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I'm turning in. Like what you're saying, the country, Nigeria, they know what they are doing. You know, our prophet told them when Buhari died, I think 2017 to 18. You know what they want to do to validate something? Either they went to exhume the body to bring the body back to Nigeria. You know, because there in Nigeria, there in Saudi Arabia, maybe they kept him in a cooler there.
What happened?
You understand what I mean? At some point, we were not hearing you.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? Yes.
Yes, we can hear you.
I said to rub butter on the bread, like, you know, what you are saying. A country whereby blind people is leading. What they want to do, what I wanted to say is that the prophet of our time, Mazenda Modekano, about the death of this man, Buhari. If I'm right, that should be 2017 or 18. You understand? This Buhari passed on. Aisha, you know, tried to make us understand what happened then. It was spread. But it's like they went to exhume the body, you know, to bring the bone to Nigeria, like what is in that book, that casket now. Maybe if you open it might be a skeleton. I don't know whether you get what I mean. So they are trying to validate something, their lives, because it is in the open. That Mazen Namodekano has told us the real thing. I don't know whether you understand what I mean. Yes, I do. Yeah. Thank you. I just do not chicken.
But do they put him in a casket or they wrap him in this white cloth they normally use as a Muslim?
It was a casket. The casket, they didn't open it. They used that their nonsense green and white and cover a box. And then Tinubu is like following the box. So did they open it for viewing? So how can somebody die twice? Somebody died 2018 and they gave us condolence. That is the United States and other country.
You know, as a Muslim, they're not supposed to bury him with casket, right? They have to.
Because they assume the skeleton.
So that means what is the casket should be burned then?
So maybe they want to use that thing, still the vulnerable, the people that, because Nigeria is not, they are not ashamed of themselves. So maybe they use that casket